Yo, what's good? We back. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back, guys. We got another video. Let's see how this beat came together. There's one repetitive instrument throughout the whole beat. Well, let's see how it all comes together. All right. So, first instrument, we got the guitar. Let's hear how that sounds. Okay. It just plays out. Right? So that's... But there were other things cooking. There are other things cooking up here and up here. You guys see this? Shout out to my boy JUIce. Go check him out. He got a YouTube channel. Phenomenal artist. Check out his stuff, man. He did this piece for me. And shout out to my broski son for coming up with this idea. He came up with this idea for the logo. Shout out my bro son. Apartment 416, let's go. And shout out my broski JUIce for doing this for me. Appreciate y'all. So let's continue on. So next instrument I added. Hey. So I got the Cuba instrument from Contact. And yeah, it's fire. You got all your bunch of instruments. Hey. Whoo. Okay. So yeah, I had to... I used some instruments from here. Hey. Yeah. I like that clap there. Then I added. You guys hear that vibe? You hear it coming? You hear it coming together? Hey. Jeez. Hey. All right. So what's that? I added just a little. Just a little thing to go along with. Okay. And then we add this. Ooh. Hey. So this guitar is in a key that will forever, as long as the beat plays, it will always be that. As long as the beat plays, that guitar note will always be the two. Right? You played two there. They will always be in tune with the beat. Always be in key. Hey. Hey. Fire. And that's it. Add the kick. Fire. And then I added a sub bass. Let's hear the bass on this. Hey. y'all know how I get down with my bass. I don't play with the bass. Hey. Come on. Eee. Fire. And then I added, let's hear this all together so far actually. Let's just hear this all together. Man. And then I added just for some, like, I don't know, like, it, bro, there's like, when it comes to making music, man, you can create this type of ambiance. Like, you can throw things in there and it creates, like, you can take randomness and it can all come together and just be a masterpiece. It doesn't make sense when you separate everything. It really doesn't make sense. But when it's all together, when it all comes together, it makes sense. Listen to this. I got this random audio.
Hey, if you don't college ain't gonna hear no music. Now you want alcohol or what?
And I was like, I want this. And I put it in the beat, chopped it up. Listen to this. Let's bring it over here. You kidding me, bro? Again. Fire beat right here, guys. This is a fire beat. I don't know who you guys hear on it. Throw in the comments who you guys hear on it. I'm not even too sure who I hear on it, but it's just a fire vibe. I love the beat. It's fire how I just was able to create all of this. And I say that because a lot of times this right here, these are already like made loops. These are loops that are already like done, and people just throw it in the beat and then just create around it. But I was able to just, you know, I was determined. Sometimes I use loops. Using loops is flames. But I wanted to challenge myself and see how I can create my own loop individually, separately, from scratch, from nothing. And that's how I got this. Because I use a loop right here. That's a loop. But without that, I had this. Hey. This beat is so fire, bro. Hey. Hey. Woo. I could play this beat forever, and this will be a eternity of a video. This video will last an eternity. But guys, that's pretty much how I made that beat. Really hope you enjoyed that. I hope the methods I used, you're able to use that in your beats and create something like this. Copy this beat exactly. Copy it exactly. Look at everything I did here. I know I didn't go into super fine detail, but you know, if you're starting out and you want to make a beat like this, again, that in previous videos, that's what I did. Starting out, I mimicked beats that I really liked, and that helped me to develop me. So do the same. All right, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, treat others the way you want to be treated. Appreciate you guys. Peace.